Okay, we've been talking about the human body, we've been talking about body systems, and specifically the nervous system and control. One of the topics that's super important within the nervous system is reaction time. So, what is it? What does that mean? All right, let's find out. What is reaction time? Well, it means the time between a stimulus and a response. So that probably brings up more questions because those are two vocabulary words that now we're going to cover. What is a stimulus? Well, it's a change in the environment that causes an organism to react. Well, what does that mean? First, the plural is stimuli. So one stimulus, two stimuli, 100 stimuli. The stimulus or stimuli can be internal or external. So something can be happening inside the body that causes an organism to react, or external. So examples would be sunlight. Well, that's for a plant mostly. A loud noise, a rainstorm, touching a hot pan, your stomach growling, a headache. Okay, there's a lot of things that can be a stimulus. So, what is the response? The response is the action or movement due to a stimulus. So, if it was sunlight in a plant, the plant would grow toward the sunlight. If there was a loud noise, it would cover your ears. If there was a rainstorm, you would get an umbrella or move under a tree, maybe dance in the rain. If you touched a hot pan, you would move your hand away. If you had a headache, you might lie down. You might take some pain reliever. Okay. You might drink more water. If your stomach growled, you might get something to eat. So a response is many things. And what is an outlier? An outlier is a data point that is very far away from all the other data points. Okay. One example, one student scores a 17% on an assessment, but all the other students score between an 82 and a 96. That 17 is an outlier, far away from all the other data points. Or you might have been taking your temperature and your temperature has been 102, 102.1, 102.3, 101.9, and all of a sudden it's 97, and then again 102.1. So that 97 is an outlier. So that's reaction time. We're going to practice reaction time with several websites. I put links to the sites in the description so you can find them easily. And that's it, reaction time. Hope you learned something new.